The list of services and amenities available at the Iowa 80 truck stop is ridiculously long. But to a tired trucker, it's nothing short of nirvana. Hi, you must be Heather.
I am.
And we are inside the world's largest truck stop.
That is true. WOLCOTT, Iowa.
Not that I doubt you, but how did you determine it was the world's largest?
Oh, several factors. The number of semi-trucks that we can park, the square footage of our main building, the fact that we sit on 80 acres that are actually under concrete.
The 55 rolls of toilet paper you use every month.
Absolutely. It's probably more now because we've added more restrooms.
A trucker needs a shower, which they often would.
Right.
Here's where they come.
Right. And aren't these beautiful? I mean, this is better than the one in my house.
It's pristine.
It is.
These towels look clean.
They are very clean. Now we're in the laundry facility.
That figures there's a lot of laundry machines.
Right.
A sit-down restaurant.
300-seat restaurant, and we have a 60-seat banquet room.
What are the hours of this place?
Always open.
And that's true for the truck stop in general. It never closes its doors.
We've never closed since the day we opened in 1964.
Chiropractic. What are the common ailments of truckers?
Mainly low back pain just because of sitting long periods of time. Deep breath in and out. Fall backwards.
Oh. Good. I heard a crack there.
Yep.
How'd that feel?
Wonderful.
Yeah? You ready to hit the road and go for another 200 miles?
More like 6.
We have a movie theater.
A movie theater?
We do. We have a TV lounge, and that turns into a chapel on Sundays, so we have a Sunday morning service. We have a 3-bay truck wash.
And if people have their pets, there's a dog washing service as well.
There is. Dog-o-mat pet wash.
Well, here we are at the dentist.
Yeah, the dentist, Dr. Tom.
How you doing?
You are the dentist to the truckers.
I probably consider myself that, yes. A lot of them are in pain, and a lot of them need some kind of assistance to get out of pain.
Pain of their gums and their teeth. They're always on the road. They don't have time to get good dental care.
That's exactly right. Their inability to get home is my income.
You're in the Hall of Fame for something. Is that for dentistry?
That was actually for swimming when I was in my younger years.
Can I just say you missed your calling? You should have been in Hollywood.
What are you saying, I've changed that much, or what are you trying to tell me?
You've lost a step, my friend. Some people refer to this as the trucker's Disneyland, right?
I can see how people could think that.
Do you have any, rides?
No, but we do have a game room.
Here we are in the gift shop. Is this a suit for the trucker that really doesn't want to be seen, recognized?
I guess you could wear it driving. It might obstruct your vision a little bit, but no, that's a ghillie suit. You wear that when you're hunting.
Where are you headed?
Alden, Iowa, to pick up a load and then go home.
What's the strangest cargo you've ever had to tow?
We call them exotic furs, but they were cattle hides.
What draws you to this place? What are the services have you used the most, do you think?
Oh, I've used everything. In fact, this Sunday we're having a family reunion.
Yeah?
In their conference room over here. I was here when they only had 2 fuel pumps.
You go way back. How long ago was that?
Oh, it's been over 40 years.
Does your truck have a name?
Lucille. The first one was Edna, then there was Bernice, and I have Lucille.
Is it always the name of your current girlfriend?
I'm married. My wife,
She just goes by many names.
Better than the names she calls me, so.
Heather, where are we now?
We're in the Super Truck Showroom, kind of like the candy store for drivers. Chrome, lights. We switch out accessories all the time just to show them here's what's new and cool.
Hey, Breaker 19, I got a cargo of iron ore. I could be saying that. Right?
You could.
Technically, I could say that. This truck is called the Blue Ox. Truckers give their trucks names, right?
For the most part, yes.
I would think you'd name it after your girlfriend or wife, but this man obviously didn't, unless his girlfriend was large and blue.
No comment.
How many forward gears? How many reverse gears? What am I dealing with here?
It's an 18-speed transmission.
18 speeds. How much training would I need to even step behind the wheel of this thing?
Yeah, there's a lot of training. I mean, there's a reason why they call them professional drivers.
I would not want to parallel park this baby.
I don't think I would either.
What's a truck stop without a truck museum, right? How many vintage trucks do you have on display here?
There are about 100 trucks in here.
Including one with skis on it.
This is one of my favorite trucks. It's the 1930 Ford A snowmobile. This truck was used by the Postal Service. Their motto of delivering the mail, neither rain nor sleet nor snow, that was true.
Here's one with some serious treads on it.
This is our 1910 Avery. This is the oldest truck in the museum. If you notice, the steering wheel is on the right side. That's how people used to drive horses, was from the right side. So this was supposed to take the place of their horses.
You think horse travel will ever come back?
Only for leisure.
Heather, if somebody wants to pay a visit to the largest darn truck stop in the world, where do they go?
WOLCOTT, Iowa, Interstate 80 and exit 284. And if you want to come to the museum, it's free admission.